seems to say no auto. And I took the flash off because I didn't want to scare the dog.
Are they getting you, Ollie? Are they getting you?
They don't stop.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
Now, which one's which?
The blue collar is Slush.
Okay.
The green collar is Swizzle. He also has the little white left front foot. And the black collar is Fizz.
You gotta hold it down halfway first.
Yeah.
You're a good boy.
Are they getting you, Ollie?
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
No, she's like trying to get him played. No, that was cute. Now, Slush is the one that we applied for if Shirley Temple wasn't approved.
What's wrong, buddy?
Oh, God, I've never seen him like this. All right, stop that, man.
Sit down, Ollie. Sit down. He can't get it then.
Oh, are you trying to do it back?
Oh, sorry. Oh, somebody found the food friend.
Yeah, Swizzle is pretty good at biting everybody's tail. He especially likes his own.
Slush is very outgoing, huh?
He's kind of big. He's kind of been the bully since he's the biggest one. He waits for you to sit everybody else down in the exercise pen and comes and jumps them.
Don't bite. Oh, they're littler than you.
He's kind of just heading them out of the way.
He says, maybe I will like my sister. She didn't treat me like this.
I know.
Like this one is so nice. Oh, she's gonna get you, Ollie. She thought about it.
Dad, help me, man.
Use your voice.
That's not
There's
funny.
Look at the boys. Oh, someone's coming to fight.
You're being little. I know you have a bigger buck than that. I've heard it.
No, someone likes your shoelaces.
Is that yours?
Slush.
Oh.
It took having her brothers around to give her a little bit of courage.
See, you sure you don't want two right there? Right there. She'd have her brother with her. Make her feel safer.
Swizzle.
Alright, don't let him do that to ya.
That's
Ooh,
right.
Really latched on. Swizzle. Goodness sake.